Rooted in eternity. Children gather hand in hand beneath a tamarind tree, singing songs of hope and faith, our spirits running free. No more tears to cloud the sky, no more fear to ask us why. Jah has shown the righteous way, leading us to brighter days. Peace in the valley, let the rivers gently flow. Love in every heartbeat, let the seeds of mercy grow. Lift your voice together, let the whole wide world believe. Just everlasting promise is the blessing we receive. Peace in the valley, where every soul is free. One love forever, that's the way it's meant to be. Mama sings with joyful eyes, her spirit shining bright, guiding every wandering heart into the morning light. Babylon may shake the ground, but never steal our song. With the strength of Jah Almighty, we keep moving on. Mountains high and oceans wide, Jah's love is our faithful guide. From Africa to every shore, we'll sing of peace forevermore. Peace in the valley, let the rivers gently flow. Love in every heartbeat, let the seeds of mercy grow. Lift your voice together, let the whole wide world believe. Jah's everlasting promise is the blessing we receive. Peace in the valley, where every soul is free. One love forever, that's the way it's meant to be. Oh, Jah, keep the children strong. Fill their hearts with freedom song. Tomorrow shines for you and me in the valley of harmony. Peace in the valley, forever we'll sing. Jah is our shelter, Jah is our king.
Morning light come shining through my door. Jah give me strength like never before. Though the road is rough and the valley long, I lift my voice with a grateful song. Every little blessing falling like rain, healing my heart through trusting Jah to lead the way. When the dark clouds hide the sky, faith keeps my spirit flying high. Love is the treasure no thief can take. Jah never leaves his children to break. Give thanks every day, let your spirit rise. Praise Jah with a smile and open eyes. From the sunrise glow to the evening grace. Give thanks every day. One love in my heart, one song to sing. Jah's mercy follows me every day. Mama told me walk with grace, carry love to every place, share your bread with those in need. Kindness is the strongest seed. No matter how the winds may blow, Jah's living river always flows. Hope is burning like a flame, forever I will praise his name. Sisters sing, let the mountains hear. Lift your voices without fear. Brothers stand in unity. Love will write our destiny. Better tomorrow starts today. With thankful hearts we find a way. Give thanks every day, let your spirit rise. Praise Jah with a smile and
call my name. Through every trial, love remained the same. Though the road was rough and the nights were long, you gave my weary heart a brand new song. Every tear became a seed in the ground. Now I hear your mercy in every sound. I can feel the healing breeze moving through the tallest trees. Every heartbeat testifies, Jah Most High never pass I by. I'm standing in a river of blessings, washing every sorrow away. Flow, sweet river, keep on running, guide my footsteps every day. From the mountains to the valley, your love is deeper than the sea. River of blessings, keep on flowing, Jah forever carry me. Children laughing in the golden sun remind me we are truly one. No more hatred, no more fear. Love is stronger when Jah is near. Hands together, voices rise. Hope is shining in our eyes. Every burden drift away as your light reveals the way. Faith is growing like a tree, rooted deep in liberty. I'm standing in a river of blessings, washing every sorrow away. Flow, sweet river, keep on running, guide my footsteps every day. From the mountains to the valley, your love is deeper than the sea. River of blessings, keep on flowing, Jah forever carry me. Rain may fall, but flowers bloom. Your love can brighten every room. One heart beating, one destiny. Peace and love for humanity. Raise your voice and let it ring. Every soul has hope to sing. I'm standing in a river of blessings, overflowing night and day. Every promise you have spoken lights my everlasting way. Give thanks, give praise forever for the grace that set me free. River of blessings, keep on flowing, just sweet love lives in me. River keep flowing, Jah keep sowing. Blessings overflowing, one love, one heart forever.
let your spirit run. Rise with the morning sun. Rise with the morning sun. Sing until the night is done. Jah is guiding everyone underneath his holy sun. Rise with the morning sun. Together we stand as one. Love and peace have just begun. Rise with the morning sun. Hear the children laughing free, like the waves upon the sea. Fields of green and rivers flow. Seeds of kindness we shall sow. Every woman, every man, walking proudly hand in hand. Faith will shine on everyone, brighter than the morning sun. Rise with the morning sun. Sing until the night is done. Jah is guiding everyone underneath his holy sun. Rise with the morning sun. Together we stand as one. Love and peace have just begun. Rise with the morning sun. No chains can hold the soul when Jah makes the broken whole. From the valleys to the hills, love is stronger still. Let the trumpet softly play, welcoming a brand new day. Every heartbeat keeps the drum, calling all the children home. Rise with the morning sun, lift your voice, let freedom come. Every nation, every tongue, singing praise to Holy One. Rise with the morning sun, our journey has begun. Hope will bloom for everyone. Rise with the morning sun. Oh Jah, guide our way. A better tomorrow starts today. Rise, yeah, with the morning sun. One love, one heart, forever on. Ooh, yeah. Jah light shine upon the way. Woman rise, don't lose your faith. A better tomorrow is on the way. I woke before the morning sun with hope inside my heart. Though yesterday was filled with tears, today is a brand new start. No chain can hold this soul of mine. No darkness steals my song. Jah keeps whispering in the wind. Be strong, my child,
lonely tear. Jah is faithful, forever true. A brighter day is waiting for me and you. Dark as the night, still Jah's love was my guiding light. Many tried to break my heart, but faith in Zion kept me strong from the start. The wind may blow and the rain may fall, still I hear sweet freedom call. No fear can hold this daughter down. Jah put a royal crown, no chains on my soul. Babylon whisper, turn away, but I keep walking Jah's highway. With every step my spirit sings like an eagle spreading wing. Sisters rise and brothers stand, healing flows across the land. Hope is growing like a tree, rooted in eternity. Break every burden, wash every tear. Jah's sweet voice is always near. Love is stronger than everyone.
our shelter, Jah is our King. Shining through my door, Jah give me strength like never before. Though the road is rough and the valley long, I lift my voice with a grateful song. Every little blessing falling like rain, healing my heart through every pain. I plant good seeds in the earth today, trusting Jah to lead the way. When the dark clouds hide the sky, faith keeps my spirit flying high. Treasure no thief can take, Jah never leaves his children to break. Give thanks every day, let your spirit rise. Praise Jah with a smile and open eyes. From the sunrise glow to the evening gray, give thanks every day. One love in my heart, one song to say. Just mercy follows me every day. Mama told me walk with grace, carry love to every place, share your bread with those in need. Kindness is the strongest seed. No matter how the winds may blow, Jah's living river always flows. Hope is burning like a flame, forever I will praise his name. Sisters sing, let the mountains hear. Lift your voices without fear. Brothers, stand in unity. Love will write our destiny. Better tomorrow starts today. With thankful hearts we find a way. Give thanks every day, let your spirit rise. Praise Jah with a smile and open eyes. From the sunrise glow to the evening gray, give thanks every day. Hand in hand we'll find our way. Jah's everlasting
every day. Though the road be rough and the night be long, I carry hope inside my song. With love and truth my heart keep turning, and through the storm the flame keep burning. Keep the fire burning deep inside. Let the light of Jah be your guide. When Babylon's shadows try to dim your flame, stand up strong and call His name. Keep the fire burning, never let it die. Lift your spirit to the endless sky. One love, one heart, let the whole world sing together. We keep the fire burning. Children dancing in the evening breeze, roots grow strong like ancient trees. From Africa to islands of the sea, Jah's love bind all humanity. No chains can hold a faithful soul. No wicked force can take control. With every chant and every yearning, the sacred flame is always burning. Keep the fire burning deep inside. Let the light of Jah be your guide. When Babylon's shadows try to dim your flame, stand up strong and call His name. Keep the fire burning, never let it die. Lift your spirit to the endless sky. One love, one heart, let the whole world sing together. We keep the fire burning. Oh, sisters, rise, let your voices ring. Songs of freedom we shall sing. Across the mountains, across the sea, tomorrow belongs to you and me. Keep the fire burning through the night, till the morning brings a brighter light. Jah bless the people, young and old, with hearts of love and souls. Keep the fire burning. every day. From the mountains to the valley, your love is deeper than the sea. River of blessings, keep on flowing. Jah forever carry me. Rain may fall, but flowers bloom. Your love can brighten every room. One heart beating, one destiny. Peace and love for humanity. Raise your voice and let it ring. Every soul has hope to sing. I'm standing in a river of blessings, overflowing night and day. Every promise you have spoken lights my everlasting way. Give thanks, give praise forever for the grace that set me free. River of blessings, keep on flowing. Just sweet love lives in me. River keep flowing. Jah keep showing. Blessings overflowing. One love, one heart, forever. Yeah. Rise up, my people, rise. The dawn is calling, oh Jah. Better tomorrow is on the way.
When the first light kisses the mountain high,
Hope awakens beneath the sky.
every tear from the lonely night
Turns to strength in the morning light.
No more fear, no more despair. Just love and mercy is everywhere. Lift your heart, let your spirit run. Rise with the morning sun. Rise with the morning sun. Sing until the night is done. Jah is guiding everyone underneath his holy sun. Rise with the morning sun. Together we stand as one. Love and peace have just begun. Rise with the morning sun. Hear the children laughing free, like the waves upon the sea. Fields of green and rivers flow. Seeds of kindness we shall sow. Every woman, every man, walking proudly hand in hand. Faith will shine on everyone, brighter than the morning sun. Rise with the morning sun. Sing until the night is done. Jah is guiding everyone underneath his holy sun. Rise with the morning sun. Together we stand as one. Love and peace have just begun. Rise with the morning sun. No chains can hold the soul when Jah makes the broken whole. From the valleys to the hills, love is stronger still. Let the trumpet softly play, welcoming a brand new day. Every heartbeat keeps the drum, calling all the children home. Rise with the morning sun.
A better tomorrow starts today. Inside my heart, though yesterday was filled with tears, today is a brand new start. No chain can hold the soul of mine, no darkness steals my song. Jah keeps whispering in the wind, be strong, my child, be strong. Lift your eyes above the storm, feel the healing rain. Every step upon this road sky.